I'm scared. Hello everyone, my name is Rika, and today I'm about to experience making the ancient tablet. The ingredients are salt, bowl, and salad oil, food coloring, and flour, and cup, and a tablespoon. And I also prepared a whisker to stir it out. Now, shall we get started? Oh, it's too little. No, not half. Good. 8. This? Yes. 8 of them. One. Now, we have to add 1 cup salt. I'm scared. 1, 2. Let's do, oops, this color. Okay. Should I pull once or twice? Let's figure it out. First, jelly then one drop. Here comes 1 drop. All together. I like mixing. And what is the food coloring doing? Food coloring, where are you? You're in here? Food coloring, this time do your job. Since it looked so dry, we added a couple more water and look at this. Oh, this is too dry. I wonder what's the matter. I started to knee. I think this is kind of working. How does it go?
What are you doing now?
Kneading.